Hi guys! So for today, discuss natin yung relocation ng PLDT namin. Nag-request kami 3 to 4 weeks ago. Ang sabi kasi sa amin is within 2 weeks ma-relocate yung PLDT Fibr namin. Unfortunately, it took us at least 4 weeks before nila actually makabit yung fiber connection, and it took me a while para magkaroon ng update from PLDT. Pero sa ngayon, okay na. May PLDT na kami, may fiber connection na, and we're already, doing our thing. Nakakapag-work na rin kami. So aside from the PLDT fiber, nag-request din kami for Cignal para makanood ng mga cartoons yung mga bata. And just sharing with you yung process. So, meron silang Facebook page. You can get a quote. May mga plans sila na available na you can choose. Tapos, ang ginawa namin is nag-subscribe kami dun sa Plan 290. Since we don't really need a lot of channels naman dahil meron din kaming Netflix account. At the same time, you need to pay a one-time installation fee of 1,700, and then moving forward, yun na yung subscription cost na babayaran mo, which is in our case, it's Plan 290. Marami na ring mga channels na included, and that includes, I think, mga 60 or 70 plus channels. Hindi naman lahat mapapanood ng mga kids. So, yan. Yep. So, that's it for us. Thank you for watching, and hopefully ma-upload na namin yung video when we move in dito sa Lancaster.